What's going on, everybody? This is Antoine. We're here in the studio, the home studio. That's it. We're going to do a really quick tip on one light, man. Let's go do it, man. Let's do it. All right, so this is what it is. Let's go over here. Let's go. Let's go. Follow me. So bottom line is this. We have a gridded light beauty dish on top. The looks that we look for and what we're trying to do is to accomplish dramatic looks without um, doing too much. This is one light, black, black, and this is what you would do to get that dramatic look. Now, how you want this light? Do you want it up in front of your client? Do you want it behind your client? I would dare to say, if you look at where the light is shining in on here, you can kind of see like a V drop of light. That's where you want to find it at. And it's kind of like I want the center to be right in front of me, not on top of me. Okay, so here we go. And inside of that, you have this drama that occurs. You have this light that you can play around with. I'm gonna step behind it this way here a little bit. And these things that you can create that may make sense to you and may make sense to the products that you're presenting out, but you yourself, you don't have to have a lot. So all you want to do is try to create some way to make this make sense to you. Okay, even if it is kind of crazy pictures. All right, it's right kind of center of me right here. So, but let me go up this way here. Okay, and you'll get different looks as you gradually pull down the lighting, even if it goes to you. So what you try to do, what you try to imagine is always, 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 always your energy. It's not the energy of, am I right, lighting this right? Am I trying to create this relook, these looks over there? So let's go ahead and push this narrative here. I'm gonna go ahead and go over here, and then I'm gonna push this over here. Now, let's look at some of these pictures here. That guy looks cool, man. That guy looks cool right there. So this would be a cool one for me to go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and crop right here. Um, go there on the constraint. I'm using Capture One, so if you guys have never used Capture One, please do. You can always check them out to get the full effect of what Capture One is. That's up to you, however you want to do it. But you guys can see the full frame here. You don't even see the bottom portion of my body, which is kind of crazy, which is fine. But we're gonna crop this out so we can push the narrative of the look, I guess. Let's see here. Like we got that one. This is a crazy one here. Um, that one doesn't show too much because I was playing around. Keep it way real quick though. Oh my gosh, let's go back to the picture. I like that one. Not that bad. That guy's crazy. All right, this one right here. So we started with this one. All right, so hit enter. Now this shows a lot of little drama and little grit there. Let's go to file. Image and edit with Adobe. Yeah, because I love editing with my Adobe. Photoshop, that is. All right, real quick and easy. I'm just going to filter. If you guys have never done this, please do utilize this. It's camera raw filter. This is basically a rendition of Lightroom right here. It's not taking don't have none of my presets on this one, but I'm just going to do some of these guys black and whites. All right, that's a good one right there. Of course, I always got to do my brushes. So if I want to layer, get some extra light coming down in there, I can do that, because this is a place where you can either add light, take away light, what makes sense to you. So go ahead, care on it. All right, hit that up, hit OK. And you guys never use generative fill. I'm gonna get rid of the microphone. I'm just gonna trace around it. and I'm going to put generative fill on there, or you can put remove, whichever works for you, best works for you. We'll go from there. Let's get this done, man. This is real quick. This is real easy. Dramatic looks, real quick. All right. So it removed it. All right, looks good. Looks pretty decent. All right, and I see one of the other things I can do here is this. My light standing still in there a little bit, but I don't need all that room in there. I don't need all this room over here as much as I need. All right, and my arm is looking like a little bit of a distraction, so I'm gonna bring that up here, and I'm gonna close it off there. I'm gonna leave the top pretty heavy because I want to see that light shining down, and that posturing of the light coming down to me as well. So all you have to do to get it back to Capture One is push save. Oops, sorry. Um, and okay, not now. Cancel. You got to close down all your layers because it won't transfer all the layers, but it'll transfer it as a raw footage. So layer, flatten, and file, and save. So we go back to Capture One, and that image is right here. So, and you got the looks that you need, you got the feel that you need. And I truly believe that this looking and developing looks real quick and real easy. You don't need a lot. You can have big looks with the with one light. So this is a very big look. This can be a Nike a Nike or Nike, however people say it. This could be any type of advertisement. It could be a cologne. This could be professional. It could be sports. Could be drama. It could be a movie. And it's really quick and really easy. You don't have to have a lot to make big looks. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. All right, so thank you guys again for joining me. I'm Antwyone, and I appreciate your time and your dime, man. I'm out though, baby. Baby, baby. Come on, baby.